Hello, everyone. So today I thought I would talk about some melodic patterns that Barry Harris teaches that allow us to break up scales and arpeggios into interesting shapes that make our solos sound great. So the first idea I want to talk about is 5-4-3-2. A 5 pattern is when you do a line and you come to the 5th of the scale. I'm going to do it in C. Here's G, which is the 5th of C. When you come to the 5, you're going to skip all the way down to the 7th, up a half step to the root, then come back up and do 4 and 3. So a 5 pattern would be, okay, so for example, you work it into a line. I'm just playing C. Randomly, anytime I get to a 5th, I can throw that pattern in. So that's a 5 pattern. 5, 7, 1, 4, 3. That's called a 5. 4. You'll start on the scale. When you get to the 4th, you're going to come down to the 2nd and then chromatically up to the 3rd, which you may have heard from Concerto for Cootie or Do Nothing Till You Hear From Me. Yeah, it's like a Do Nothing Till You Hear From Me shape. So the way Barry teaches it, he starts on the 5th, goes to the 4th, and does the pattern. So 5 is, 4 is, 3. 3 does the same thing, gets to the 3rd, pops down to the 5th, and comes up a triad. That's a 3. So for example, I didn't do it quite in rhythm, but it doesn't matter. It still gives you creative ideas. Beautiful little shape to throw in there. So 5, 4, 3, 2. You hit 2, come into 7, and a triplet back up. So that's a 2. How would I use it? You see, it's a shape of a melody that you can plug in like a little formula. Next, the combo plan. So let's go over them. 5, 4, 3. In order to do it properly, you need to do a pickup. And 2, same pickup. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here comes a 3. And a 2. The combo plan, you put them together. 5, 4, 3, 2. In rhythm, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how would we build something with that? I mean, if I was doing a turnaround, you could play C major all day long and not run out of ideas. So, how to exercise it? You would go 1, combo. Now you would do it in the next key, which would be F. B flat. Notice I'm tapping my foot on 1 and 3 all the time, all the time, all the time. Here we go. And E flat. And so on. And so on. Just go right around the cycle. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.